Hi, John here. In this video I will go through what kind of customer discounts I am using in my store, basically to keep customers in my store and not leave without giving me that order. This is not about upsells, it's literally mostly about how to keep them in that store and make them to finish the checkout. First, I would like to thank you for watching my videos and giving me so much feedback, especially in my free Facebook mastermind group at Federation. If you are still not there, definitely join it. It's full of people who spend millions of dollars in Facebook every month, and if you like my videos and you would like to see more of them and you are still not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and also if you have some interesting idea about future video, because I'm doing this every day and I'm always looking in some new ideas, then definitely leave a comment below. First, I would like to talk about discounts. Well, I think discounts are awesome, and a lot of people are actually scared from giving them because, well, they have very tiny margins, and if they will give some discount and also promote that sale on Facebook, then basically they have almost no money left, and that could be very critical. Well, but I have huge margins. If you want to see a video about how I price my products so I have those great margins, and price them in the way that I can actually sell it on Facebook, then definitely watch my previous video. And well, basically based on that, I have huge margins, and I can kind of use discounts how I want, but I'm absolutely not using discounts like an idiot, okay? I'm using them very strategically, only when those people do something for those discounts, okay? Basically there are a couple of different types of discounts that I'm using, and that's based on the place or the situation in that funnel, where that person is right now. Let's start with a first type of discount that we are using. That's the most obvious one, and that's basically the discount that we are using in comments, right? So in Facebook ads, that means that person is commenting, doesn't matter if, well, it's positive, and we try to create some conversation with that person, and well, then we offer them a discount, and the discount basically is usually that if that person will do double order, then we will throw their 15% down, and that means that we kind of use it always differently based on products. So we have multiple variations of that one discount, and so let's say we are selling product for $39.90 plus $4.95 per shipping. That means in total that order is $44.85. And basically we offer those people that if they spend at least $45, that means 15 cents more, then we give them 15% discount. Problem is that they need to add that some other product to that order, because we don't have anything less than $20, okay? So they can't add anything for 15 cents. They need to add at least another $25 product, and basically that will already increase our profit, because basically we didn't need to spend any money on advertising of that second thing, so we have a pure profit from it. We have another discount, and that's always in our promotional bar in our website, and basically we try to tell here as friendliest way as possible, for smiles, that we have this 10% discount, and we hope that they will remember we have the discount and not forget about it. So we are basically telling them, please don't forget about this 10% discount. So when they will go to checkout, they will put the 10%, because I don't care if they will use it or not. We have so high margins that even that 10% discount is nothing, if it will decrease that abandonment. Then it's that abandonment cart campaign basically, and where we offer also another don't miss out 10% discount, where we send them multiple emails and offer them in each of them the 10% discount if they will come back. Then we have another type of discount, and basically that's that after sale discount. So after that person already pay for an order, then they will immediately get from us error message here is your special discount with 30%, and you can use that discount for next 3 hours. And well, basically that actually works like the best, you know. That's probably like most used discount, because so many like customers always like use that discount, you know. So they usually even like make another like purchase from that same product, you know, just to get that 30% discount. And well, it's another like, it's basically another like sale for me, and without like any advertising investment. So it's again like pure profit. Another type of discount that we are like actively using is that we are using very like personal discounts, you know. And that's when people are calling us or people are like sending us messages, you know. And for example, they are sometimes like not sure if they should buy or not, you know. And they are like kind of like giving us that hint that we should like a little bit like persuade them, you know. And well, then we usually like create some like story, you know, that our like customer support person is like saying, yeah, like I just spoke with CEO, you know, and we will give you like 20% discount if you'll do it, you know. And he just created a discount specifically only for you, you know, with your name. And then we create like discount code for with that name of that person, you know, and send that person, you know. So it's like most personal way how you can like offer a discount, and it like works great, you know. So if you can like help it a little bit and you are not like lazy, then you can like start creating discounts with names of those customers and then offering to them, because that then it's like, I don't know why, but I think they kind of like have this feeling that they owe us something, you know, if we did it like for them like this. And here we have like a I'm sorry email. Well, basically I'm using like I'm sorry email every time when I'm even giving like refunds, you know, or like when somebody is like messaging us that like they are not happy with product and blah 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 blah, and they want the refund, so we try to like sell them the discount. And well, even if we are like refunding somebody and we refund that person, we still like send them email, you know, that we like totally like fuck up, you know. And it's like horrible, they are like our customers for like years, you know. And we should just like deliver quicker, you know, it in better quality, and that we are like ashamed of us, you know. And then we offer them again like 20% discount for next purchase as a sorry. And actually it works as well, you know, like, so it doesn't work like those other discounts like same grade, because well, like once person is like pissed, you know, that then even like 20% discount will still like not work with like most people, you know. So there's like some small percentage who actually use it, because well, once you like really like make that person angry, it's like difficult to turn them. But well, it's like free money, okay. So I just throw it on everybody, and well, sometimes it stick and bring us some profit back, you know. Sometimes it pay that refund that we spent on that person. And last discount are like bulk orders. Sometimes people buy like 20 units, you know, for like $500 and pay for it, you know, and then they request, you know, some like additional discount, you know, and try to negotiate with us. So we give them like some discount. I mean, like we can give them basically anything, you know, because we can give them like whatever they want, because we still have like so much profit from that bulk order that we offer them even like 20, you know, 30%. It's like still fine for us. So that's also like great. I mean, like bulk orders are awesome because you have there like so much, you know, like profit. You didn't spend that much on advertising, and well, even that product cost is like not so hardcore, so it's just like pure money, you know. So every time when we get like bulk order, it's like awesome, even with a discount. So thank you for watching my video, and well, if you have like some more questions about like those discounts or anything about e-commerce, Facebook advertising, then definitely join my free Facebook mastermind group at Federation. It just started and it's actually like super active right now, and it's growing, okay. And there are people who spend millions of dollars, you know, every month on Facebook. So if you also want to have like a connection to me, then definitely join at Federation today. And also, if you got flagged recently, then definitely download my free ebook, you know, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide, and it will help you out to get out of that Facebook circle as well and restart a promotion, so you can keep running your ads and well, keep making money. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in next video. Bye.